Poverty has entered the family, Shem, cause what do you mean that we just bought a new car, but we can't even afford to pour petrol in it? Mara itakini. Welcome to another video. Today I'll be detailing the exterior of my 2025 Haval H6 GT. The witches are in trouble, Shem, cause they only thrive in dirty environments. Let us see what we are working with. Yeah, the bugs you're seeing are from when I went to Vanderbilt Park to fetch a child from Northwest University. It was a waste of time, Shem, cause she didn't even pass one of her modules. Yeah, no, this car was as dirty as some of my friends' hearts when they found out I bought a new car. You guys just don't want Porsches and Lamborghinis. The Chinese are cooking, Shem. Now that you have seen the dirt, let me show you how to detail this car like a pro. The first step is giving the car a good hose. At this point, I'm convinced that this car gets a bath more than some of you this summer. I didn't mention names though. Hey, things of the Chinese, I just found out I can't raise the wipers without putting the car in service mode. Look at the magic. While I'm still spraying the rest of the car, if you are enjoying the video so far, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Having a car that's taller than you is really painful, Shem. Cause what do you mean that I need to climb the chair in order to clean the roof? Mara itakini. Lastly, we need to spray the back of the car. Some people say they don't like how this car looks at the back, but I really love it, Shem. Let me know what you think in the comments. Electronic tailgate. Thank you, my China man. We can't all afford the BMW X6 anyway. This car is really dirty, Shem, so I'll start by using the Great Snow Foam in order to start breaking down those dead particles. The Great Snow Foam is really easy to use. For every one part of the product, you need to add 4 parts of water. So if you add 100 milliliters of the product, then you need to add 400 milliliters of water. I apply this product using a pressure washer jet, but if you don't have it, then just mix it in a bucket and apply it manually. The results are similar. Yeah, no, look at how satisfying snow foam is. If snow foam was human, then I swear I would have a baby with it. I love it a lot, Shem. After allowing snow foam to sit on the car for about 5 to 7 minutes, then you need to hose down the car again. I won't waste your time cause you've already seen me do this. By now the Great Snow Foam would have lifted most of the dirt, so it will come off easily, Shem. Next, I add the Great Wash and Wax in a bucket and fill it up with water. What I like the most about the Great Wash and Wax is the fact that it washes your car and also protects your car's paint from UV lights. If that sounded complicated, then all I mean is that it protects your car's paint from sunlight, Thomas. Most of the bugs that we had earlier are nowhere to be found. It's thanks to the Great Snow Foam and Wash and Wax. They really work like magic, Shem. I need to go and buy a second bucket because this car is too big, Shem. I had to go back and add some water. Give every part of the car a good clean. All our detailing products are very affordable anyway. If you'd also like to detail your car at home like a pro, then you can order all the products that we use in this video using the link in the description. Let us give that back end a good clean. This car is really good looking, Shem. Look at that rear spoiler. The Porsche GT3 was found shaking, Shem. And to complete the wash, we need to give it a good hose again. Yeah, no, you guys will get tired of me hosing down the car many times. At least Jesus doesn't get tired of washing your sins every Sunday when you go to church. Mara itakini. And the next step is drying this beautiful baby to reveal that premium shine. The H6 GT looks like money, Shem. I mean, look at it. You need to dry the whole car. Don't be scared. Yeah, the H6 GT is the baddie she thinks she is. Is it slowly replacing VW cars in Mzansi? What I like the most about this car is that when you turn on the ignition, the wipers go back on their own. The car is now ready for the great Tyre shine liquid. You were never ready for this level of shine. A wise man once said, a car's detail is incomplete if you don't shine your tires. The wise man is me. Next, I use the great cut loss to keep the plastic trims of the car looking and smelling like money. This product is available in cherry flavor and lavender flavor. I prefer applying it to the car's plastic trims using a sponge because it absorbs the product properly. Now that I'm done detailing the car's exterior, it's safe to say that it looks like money, Shem. So enjoy. Yeah, no, it's safe to say that my cars are beautiful, Shem. If only my bank account was as beautiful. Mara itakini. Thank you for watching.